Hello, this is Mr. Womble23 here doing another Minecraft video. Today I'm doing a Minecraft tutorial on the plugin PermissionsEx and how you're going to be able to set it up. So first you're going to install the plugin and put it in your plugins folder, restart the server. It will come up with a folder called PermissionsEx. Have a look in it. There will be a config.yml and a permissions.yml. Leave the config for now, or I have never touched it, but because it's not of much relevance to what I use it for, and open the permissions.yml. Now, you should get a blank screen like this, or a little default starter to tell you what to do. But I'm just going to start from scratch, so if you'd like to, you can start from scratch and go with me. Okay, so basically what we're going to type, we start off with groups, and then the colon. Now, Bucket does not like spaces. Does not like tabs. So you're going to have to use spaces. Because if you go tabs, it'll come up with errors and stuff. So you just want to do 2 spaces and type in your first rank. I'm typing in peasant and then the colon. And 2 more spaces because it's the first one. Default, true. So your players will start with that one. We'll start with that rank and all these permissions. So prefix, colon, and you have to do one of these little speech marks, just a single speech mark. And prefix can be whatever you like. You may see some servers with colored ranks and you're wondering how to do that. Well, you just have to go, there'll be a list for the Minecraft color codes in the description, but basically you go and then any number from 1 to 9. So 1 will be dark blue, 2 is green, that's cyan, 4 is red, and it just keeps going on. And there's also A, B, C, D, and E, and F. So we're just going to go with peasant because it's the default rank and we want them to rank up eventually, maybe. I'm just going to do dark grey here. We can do a bracket and write peasant and bracket, and then there we go. If we want their name to be a different color, we can go and 2 or something, but I'm just going to, actually I'll go 7 because it's a lighter grey. Now, same thing for suffix, but it goes at the end of their name. So, I don't really have suffixes on my permissions, but for the sake of this, we can. Go and 7. Actually, no, we're not going to. What we need next is, of course, permissions. Oops. There we go. Enter. And then another 2 space. Oh wait, that one. And we can type in our permissions. So you may see on plugins certain permission nodes that you can add in order to join plugins if it's a mini game or something. So the main ones are essentials, and you can do a few just some default ones that players can join with and get info about them. So you can go on for ages. My peasant one is the longest, has the longest amount of permissions in my whole server because they got so many things to join and everything. Okay, since it's the first one, we go options, colon, space, rank, and then you want to go about 100. See, this ranks it in the order of least important. It does it for some configurational reason, but so you're gonna set your starter one as 100, or whatever number you like, but it's going to keep going down in order of that. So if we go to our, oh wait, where are we? Space. Now we can do our next rank. We just go donator, prefix, did I spell that right? Yeah, I'll just add it to the dictionary. Prefix, we can go green, and we can do that. If you're really fancy, you can go for the colored brackets look and go B. So the bracket will be cyan, no, aqua, sorry, and then we get bracket. So the donated bit will be lime green because that's A. Suffix, as I said, I'm not going to have one of them. Permissions, we're going to, I'll just add some. Okay, so as you can see, I have added some more permissions just to make it seem a bit more chockers. Mob Arena, I've got Mob Arenas on my server. Essentials, Paintball, I've got general, they're kind of copied, but I just like to use the asterisks. Essential signs, use all of them. And Mob Arena. See, Mob Arena I have, you'll see a little minus in line with all the other ones. That takes away this ability. So Assassin is one of my donator ranks. So they won't be able to use the donator rank because they haven't donated. So that one uses that one. I just added a few more essentials. Kit, they get that kit. You can go through them all day, but the main thing I wanted to get out of this was the next bit, which is inheritance. Did I spell that right? Inheritance. There we go. See, inheritance, you want to inherit it from the other rank. So you want to type peasant. So donator rank gets all these permissions as well as these extra ones. So that's just an added bonus. And once again, we'll go options, space, rank, and we're going to go 90. Now that should all work, and I will be back. You can keep going on with all these ranks all day. Just remember to do the inheritance and all that, and I'll just show you guys how it looks on a server. Okay, so guys, I just logged into my server and I'm testing out the permissions, and I'm going to say hi, and it comes up as Peasant Womble 23 in dark grey, which is good. It's good, what we want. I'm on creative mode because this is a creative server. This is my creative server. I just did it because no one was on it. Yeah, so if all our essentials worked and everything, and the donator rank works as well. Just let me get my donator rank on. Okay, there we go. So donator, I just fixed it up and made it red because I thought that was a bit cool. The name red. That plot world thing won't be there because that's just a glitch on my server at the moment. I'm getting rid of. Yeah, so it all works perfectly well. I'll just up myself. Okay, so some permissions. So pex, and if you go pex help, don't have enough permission. That's pex. Oh wait, let me make myself. Okay, so if we want to do some commands in game rather than out of game, we can go pex user Womble 23 group set and we'll set him as a peasant. So, boom, I'm a peasant, but I'm an opt peasant, so that's pretty cool. So that's just some commands in game. So wait, let me. I just added some more permissions and some ranks because this is my server and they're pretty cool. Let's make myself owner. Okay, I've made myself owner. That's the owner tag. So I can go PEX help and it'll come up with 16 pages. So PEX user, so see, and it'll list every user I have registered on here at the moment, just on the creative server, which is pretty good since it only just opened a few days ago. Yeah, so where were we? PEX user Womble23 owner, so it's not ranked. I didn't add rank to that one, and my permissions and my options aren't very good. I'll go PEX user. What's the person we can use? Hope you won't mind. Rank 100 as at default. So no special permissions there or no special options. That's just the default rank we have here. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you learnt a bit. And you can visit my server, bigwomble.net. It's got creative, paintball, lots of mini games, which is fun. Yeah, hope you liked it. If you did, give it a like. Womble out.